So my name is Amar, guys, and I'm quite famous that they had to write my name on India Gate. Amar Jawan Jyoti, yeah. Unfortunately, Jyoti and I are not together anymore. Bro, don't talk to me now. Don't. Because no, guys, don't talk to me anymore. What was the saying? Unfortunately, Jyoti and I are not together anymore because she wasn't Jawan anymore. Guys, it's really sad. You know, I like you guys. I like you because you're sitting in a comedy show. It's nice. It's a great way to spend your time. But you know, it's not all people are not like that. India mein bahut log bahut vela hote hain. There's so many vela people, no. I was trying to park my car outside. There's this guy was standing. मैंने उससे पूछा, भाई साहब मैं गाड़ी लगा लूं? कहता नहीं. And I'm like, ठीक है. फिर मैंने कहीं और जाके गाड़ी लगा ली. Then I saw another guy park the car there. मैंने कहा आपने इनको तो मना किया ही नहीं. कहते उन्होंने मुझसे पूछे. Then I was a little concerned. I said, what the fuck is happening? I asked this guy, अच्छा parking वाले भी हो? कहता नहीं मैं तो खड़ा था. You know, but parking guys are it's insane. I hate talking to parking guys because I drive and every time I park my car, these guys start talking to me after I park my car. Okay, yeah? No, don't talk to me. I'll talk to you after the show. So these guys start talking to me after I park the car. These guys, so I park the car, this guy will come to me, भाई साहब थोड़ा सा दबा के लगाइए, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट से दबाइए, थोड़ा सा राइट से दबाइए, थोड़ा सा आगे से दबाइए. You know what did a parking guy's girlfriend told him? She said थोड़ा सा दबा के लगाइए. Wow. And it's not just parking guys. You know, people. I mean, for example, think about beggars. Okay, I think beggars are really velas. Yeah. Do you think beggars are velas? I think beggars are extremely velas. I was having samosa the other day, and this beggar comes to me. He's like, "कुछ खाने के लिए दे दो." I'm like, dude, I'm minding your own business. You fuck yourself. And he's like, "कुछ खाने के लिए दो." मैंने ठीक है समोसा खाएगा? कहते नहीं. No, I didn't want to be rejected by a beggar. So I said, कचौड़ी खाएगा? कहता नहीं टिक्की खिला दो. मैंने कहा उल्लू के पट्टे तुझे किसी ने ये नहीं बताया beggars are not choosers. It's fucking insane. Like I'm trying to avoid them all the time. I was driving once and this auntie comes to me with her bachcha in her hand. Okay, the literal looking bachcha. And she comes in like bachcha भूखा है कुछ दे दो. And I'm trying to avoid. I said बच्चा भूखा है कुछ दे दो. Like I was trying to avoid, but for the longest time, light green or whatever, but she was after me. बच्चा भूखा है कुछ दे दो. मैं 10 रुपए का नोट निकाला मैं देने वाला. The बच्चा burped. Like I hate, and it's not just beggars. There are other people who are vela. Shivam was talking about the metro, and I think people in the metro are really vela. Like I mean, they're standing. I had a seat at one point, and I was sitting, and people have nothing to do in the metro. You know, they're just standing there. They don't know what the fuck to do with themselves. So this guy he would be just standing here like this, and I was sitting here. This guy standing right in front of me. Okay, this guy, and suddenly he goes. Like what the fuck is that? Just because you have nothing to do, you'll be like, I mean, what? This is supposed to be attached. We're not supposed to check it again and again. Just because you have nothing to do, you can't just. And I get so freaking irritated in the metro all the time because मेरी शक्ल पे लिखा है इसको सीट पे मत बैठने दो. Like some people, whatever they want to do, they fucking want a seat. Okay, they want a seat, and मेरी सीट पे लिखा है. So if I was sitting, I always take a seat जहाँ पे कुछ chance नहीं होता देने का. Like no lady seat. I would take a proper seat. But just like people come to me, and so this woman, I was on a seat, I was corner seat, and suddenly I saw this woman. I saw her legs, and she's so close to me. Yeah. She's right here. I was trying to avoid her because I was like, why the fuck is she close to me? She was this close to me. And eventually I had to look up because she was so close. I'm like... And she goes... I avoided and like मैं नीचे देखा दोबारा मैं I couldn't believe that happened and then like मैंने ऊपर देखा दोबारा इसलिए मैंने कहा क्या कि सीट दे दो मैं दे दी उसको सीट मैंने तूने सीट के लिए इतना कुछ किया and it's not just that woman another woman just women with bachas walk in all the time they walk in all the time so this woman walks in with the bacha and I'm in the middle of a seat right in the middle of a row I'm there and she comes to me like seat de do I'm like why did you choose me first and then she says bacha hai main kaha mera thode hai